Welcome to this tutorial on quarter 5. In this tutorial, we will not repeat what was in tutorials for quarters 2, 3, and 4. We'll just add the new stuff that you need to worry about. So like, designing your brand was covered in 2, 3, and 4. 2 and 3, how to design based on needs, and 4 based on copying the best brands through your research. So we're going to start with brand management, and we're going to go to R&D because that's new. In research and development, you get to pick 3 research and development items. Now, when you click on it, modify, and you look at it, you'll see that you have this area here, child fit. That means it works on all the bikes. It costs $40. Okay, and here's what it does. It's lighter, stronger, and than standard carbon, providing a competitive edge for any rider. So this is a pretty good one, but very expensive. But I usually get it. Now, if you click on mountain, you'll see that it's only for the mountain bike, and it costs $30 per bike, and it costs you $300,000 to buy it. I don't usually pick that one unless I really want to focus on mountain. I usually go down here and I pick puncture-resistant slime tires because it's good on every bike, and it only costs $3. So you even use it on speed, but you also use it on youth because it's good for all of them. Okay, and I often pick decals because again, only $8 per bike and good on all of them. Now you could pick 11 speed, works on all of them, but it's $50 per bike, so you probably wouldn't put it on the youth bike. And so I picked these ones. Plus, we don't always have a lot of money because we're spending this much here. So that's your strategies you've got to come up with. You can pick any of them, up to 3 in quarter 5. In quarter 6, you can pick them all. So in quarter 6, you buy as many as you can. Your goal is to make a lot of money in quarter 5. They're not going to give you any more money. They just gave you $2 million for quarter 5. They're not going to give you any more. So hopefully you're making money by quarter 6, or you just can't catch up because the teams that are making money will buy almost all of these, or all of them actually. Okay. All right. Next in pricing. All right. If your prices are good, you're good to go. But you have to always check what the competitors are doing. So I have to check again in the competitors' prices for work in youth. So again, I will click all the work bikes and see what they're doing. All right. And the one I'm playing is Champion Bikes. Work Bike 2 Champion Bikes. It's 731. This one's undercutting me. 700. No rebate though. And I'm 731 plus $50 rebate. So I'm kind of okay because I'm actually less than that one. So maybe I don't bother changing my price. Okay. But if this was $750 rebate, I would go $699 and maybe a $51 rebate. But since I'm tied with several here with the $50 rebate, I think I'm good. Okay? So check your prices. Next, in advertising, your local media, you got to add all your local media that's been added. Okay? So I don't have, oh, I do have all. And this one has a double brand. I have 2 mountain, 2 speed because I have special ads for North America and Latin America, and my regular ad in Asia. Because if you look at what I have for my sales channel, I have all of North America, all of Latin America, but I only have one in Asia. And that's going to affect my ad. So in my ad, I have a mountain that says local sales and service, but I also have a mountain that says regional sales and service. But you got to have all 4 markets or you get a penalty. Okay, so you got to have all 4 and where you use it, and only promote it in the ones you're using. But that is complicated. Okay, so in pricing, I got to have, let's see, oh, I just have one pricing bike. But in my ads, I have local media I have to change. Okay, and I have my ad design content I changed. Okay. And I have to change it in my internet. So 3 places we change. So we have 2 different mountain ones and 2 different speed ones there. All right. So that's new. All right. In terms of an ad option, okay, is this regional sales and service. You also have a shot at best bike, but you have to be in all 3 regions and number 1 in quarter 4. to do that. And most people weren't in all three regions in quarter four. In quarter six, you might be able to do that because by now you're probably in all three regions. Okay, but I wasn't in all three, so I didn't do that. All right. Now we have the local media, and I filled that out differently for my different regions. And I spent in about 190,000. All right. But now we have regional media, and regional media is complicated. Okay. And again, I had to do it different because I have two different mountain speed ads. So here, Asia, and Asia I didn't do any. Because if you only have one store, you don't really need regional media. But if you have four, you got to do a lot. Okay, so I spent on those two regions $678,000, and I didn't put any in Asia. Okay, that's because I got four stores in North America and Latin America, and you got to go by media preference. And in media preference, you click on it, and it says Speed likes Biking Magazine. Okay, and Mountain also likes Biking Magazine, and they both like Sport Magazine. Mountain's second favorite, or third favorite, is General News, and Speed's third favorite is Sport Magazine. Well, Recreation, 111 is kind of low, so I probably wouldn't even do that. They like Leisure Entertainment, Health and Fitness, and Leisure Entertainment a lot. Work is General News, New Venture, Health, and maybe Business. They might get four. And you definitely only two. Leisure Entertainment the best, and Health and Fitness. Speed has a bunch here. You might go General News, or maybe New Venture, but Health and Fitness is a little too low. And for sure, you wouldn't do Leisure Entertainment because they hate it. Okay? So, I also got to look at the prices. Biking Magazine is the cheapest, and it's the favorite of Mountain and Speed, so I go 9. That's about as high as you want to go. But I'm going 9 on that because it's the favorite and it's cheap. Okay, now Leisure Entertainment is 13,000. It's the favorite of Youth and Rec, but Youth is not that profitable, and Rec I did put 5 in there, but it's too expensive. You know, it's twice as much, more than twice as much. Spiky Magazine, so I put 5 in there, and my main focus on a Mountain Speed anyhow. All right, so I target each one that is popular with each bike, and also you decide does it meet your primary and secondary target markets. Okay, so Mountain Speed, I'm a little bit heavy, but I have some in all. Okay, and I do similar numbers in Latin America, and Asia would also be similar if I had all 4 stores. Okay, now Latin America is a little bit better on Work and Rec. I might go a little bit higher there, and a little bit less on Speed. So maybe I should modify. I keep the 9 because, you know, Speed is, that Viking Magazine is such a good value. But Sport and Business, even though they're cheaper here than they are in North America, Europe, I'm still going to 1 because we just don't have much Speed there. And Youth, we don't have much Youth there either. So maybe I'll go 1 and 1. Okay? All right. Internet, you got to turn on all your internet. Okay, everywhere, and I just don't need it in the ones without certain ads. Now, you also have paid SEM. Paid SEM means you have to bid and put in a budget. So, bid. Now, use not that important to me, but I'm going to go over the industry average bid because if I don't get any hits. Don't go average and don't go below average. So, I went about 14 cents over. And I maxed this out. If you just put 9999 or 888 or whatever, it'll give you the max. So I'm going 3,000. Okay, at 185. So I went over about 15 cents all these. Work, I went a little bit more. I think, well, no, that's 11 cents. Maybe I'm going to go over 6. Okay, and this is 16 cents, and this is, oh, that's a little high. That's 38 cents. And then Rec, I'm going to go more because Rec's more important and it gets more money. So I'm going about 40 cents over here to 50 cents over. Mountain, and I have to know which mountain I'm using. I go 60 cents over because Mountain's very important to me and Speed's very important to me. So again, I'm going about 60, 70 cents over on my Mountain Speed. On that, and I'm maxing out the budget on all of them for the appropriate ads. Okay? All right, in social media, you have to pick your budget. Now, this is read this curve. Turn on the active button, and then read the curve. When does it diminish? Improved demand going up, up, up is good. More money is bad. So, I figure around here it's kind of getting too flat, and I'm getting diminishing returns, they call it. So I'm going to go about 6,000. This one curves a little bit earlier, so I'm going to go about 5,000 there and 5,000 here. Okay? And you see that. Check my ad claims are good. In my sales channel, make sure you got 14 in all of them, just like we talked about before, and use the market potential to figure out where those should be, just like you do for the local ads. Okay? Local ads and potential and hire salespeople and service people. Also market potential. Always one, only, and service. Okay, so this should mirror my advertising local media. Okay, and that was also discussed in quarter 4. That's not new. All right, and I should be able to open my last stores. I do, so I'm going to have all 12 in quarter 6. And you put in your demand projection again. Go about 20% more than you sold last quarter. So I sold 85, so maybe that's a little crazy, 110. But I'd be at least 100 here for salespeople. And then distribute to your demand. Okay? And that concludes the new stuff for quarter 5. Thank you for watching.